peek at the bag for the ICOM 705. I keep it inside the bag. My connectors right through here. I mean, you can just close it here. This antenna tuner connected to the radio. I have my key already here connected to the radio. And then I have this bag, an external battery. So if I want to use 10 watts, I connect this battery to the ICOM to get 10 watts instead of 5 watts. I have 2 antennas. Well, one that is up there that I'm using right now, and then I have the other one here. Some connectors, screwdriver, extra audio cable. I have the talent cell, about 75%. But here, and then I just keep it here. And then random wire antenna, and I keep pencils here. I have an extra key. You can actually fit here extra batteries for the ICOM. I'm using my plug. These are the stakes that they go here. Pretty much that's everything I have inside this bag, and that's it.